Hello dear students, welcome to session of Mission Dr.Homi Bhabha Balvaidnyanik competition 60 days. In coming days, we discuss more about Dr.Homi Bhabha Balvaidnyanik competition, solving some MCQ questions and very quick revision of some topic. Date of exam is 8 November 2025. So approximately 60 days are remaining. So dear students, you have to study hard. Let's start today's class. So in today's class, we discuss about the different type of body cavities. So dear students, you know about the five sense organ. Eye is the sense organ, help for the sight. Then tongue is the sense organ which help us to taste the things. Skin is the sense organ which help to touch. Then we know the sensation through the touch. Then nose is the sense organ which help us to sense of smell. Ear is the sense organ which help us to listen a different type of sound. So these are the five sense organ. So message is given from this sense organ through the impulse, through the nerves to the brain, and then brain identify and again gives the message to the respective organ, and that action complete. So dear students, the organization of living thing. In the body of living thing, cell is the basic structural, functional, fundamental unit of all living thing. Group of similar cell which perform a particular function, that is called tissue. Group of tissue which perform specific function, that is called organ. Group of organ, that is called organ system, and organ system is present in the body of organism. So in our body different organs are present. So organs are classified into two groups: external organ and internal organs. So ear, external organ, and then next one, hand, nose, eyes, ear are the external organ. Legs are the external organ. Then next one, you should know about the internal organ of human body. Heart is the internal organ, stomach internal organ, kidney, bladder, small intestine, large intestine, liver, lungs, brain are the internal organs, and group of organ make the system. So brain is the important organ. Its function is control, thinking, memory, and body movements. Like this, every organ having a particular function. Heart, it pump the blood through the body. Lungs, it help in breathing and respiration. Liver filter the toxic from the blood. Stomach help to digest the food and break down the food. Kidney filter the waste product from the blood. Then next one, small intestine, large intestine, which help in the digestion. Today's main topic is body cavity. So in our body there are cavity, and in that cavity organs are protected. So body cavity is broadly classified into two group, that is a dorsal cavity and next one ventral cavity. The cavity which is present on the back side of body, that is called dorsal cavity. In the dorsal cavity there are again two subtype: cranial cavity, that one is also called brain box, which contain the brain. It is the internal organ, soft organ. Then next one, vertebral cavity. In the vertebral column, spinal cord is protected in the vertebral cavity. Now, second type of cavity, that is ventral cavity, the cavity which is present on the front side of body, that is called ventral cavity. Ventral cavity is again subdivided into three cavities. First one thoracic cavity, second one abdominal cavity, third one pelvic cavity. In the thoracic cavity, it contains heart and lungs. Then next one, that is abdominal cavity, it contains the digestive organ like small intestine, large intestine. Then next one, pelvic cavity, contain urinary bladder, reproductive organ and rectum, thus contained in the pelvic cavity. See the a picture of cavity, dorsal cavity, on the back side cranial, and vertebral cavity, ventral cavity, which is present on the front side. So, dear students, you can memorize this cavity by using this chart. Body cavity mainly two group, dorsal cavity, ventral cavity. Dorsal जो कि बैक साइड में होती है, in that cranial cavity which contain the brain, spinal cavity which contain the spinal cord, ventral cavity जो कि हमारे बॉडी के फ्रंट साइड में होती है. In the ventral cavity there are thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Main type two, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity. In the thoracic cavity there are pleural cavity, the cavities which are present around the lungs, that is called pleural cavity. And in the thoracic again, mediastinum cavity, the cavity around the trachea. In this cavity trachea and esophagus comes, that is called mediastinum cavity. Then pericardial cavity, the cavity which are present around the heart, and that cavity is called pericardial cavity. Then second type, that is abdominal, and in that pelvic is added. So abdominal cavity, again abdominal and pelvic cavity. In the abdominal cavity, liver, stomach, pancreas, intestine comes. And in the pelvic cavity, urinary bladder, reproductive organ, thus comes in the pelvic cavity. So dear student, you should know that is which organ is present in which cavity. For that, this video is helpful to you. I hope you understand the body cavity and the organ which are protected in that body cavity. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your study.